Welcome to lkitlearner Inkscape lesson series. In this lesson, we're going to learn the basic transformations of the shapes. Transformations in Inkscape is pretty simple. Click and drag the shape to reposition the object. Click the controllers of the corner of the shape to rescale. Using the Control key, you can scale the shape proportionately. Using the Shift key, you can rescale the shape symmetrically. To rotate the shape, you have to click once on the shape. Using the Control key, you can rotate the shape snap to 15 degrees. Using the Shift key, you can rotate the shape refers to the opposite corner of the rotation controller. lkitlearner, your personal tutor. Follow us, like us, and subscribe us.